Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Since Halloween is just around the corner, today I will show you how to create a realistic Dementor effect in your video using only CapCut. It's super easy, looks amazing and perfect for your spooky Halloween edits. So make sure to watch till the end. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then tap on New Projects. And then just import your main video or photo that you want to use for edit. You can use any clip. And then just next go to effect, this one, and then video effects, and then just choose Halloween, and then from there just choose floating ghost, this one, just tap on it like this. This one will give that spooky Dementor like movement. Just tap on checklist to apply, and then just apply this effect across the entire clip so it will place from start to finish like this. And then just go back to your main clip, and then just tap on duplicate, and then just move this layer above main clip like this. We will use this layer to make it look like Dementor move both in front and behind your subject. And then just tap on overlay clip again, and then just go to remove background and then auto removal. This way we'll cut out your photo. This will isolate your subject from the background like this. And then here's the fun part, just play the video, and when you see the ghost or Dementor passing in front of your subject, for example in here, just split the overlay and then delete that small sections. Like this. This trick will make the Dementor appear to go behind and in front of the person. It will creating that super realistic 3D illusions. It will look cinematic and creepy at the same time. Just do this step to whole clips. Like this. And then to make the whole scene even more intense, let's add one more effect. Just go to effect again and then open Halloween again. And then this time just choose negative strobe. This one, negative strobe. And then just go to objects and then apply to all videos like this. And then just apply this effect to whole video like this. This will add a flickering haunted atmosphere, just like in a horror movie. And then your video will look like this. Like this. And then next you can do further edit. You can lower the brightness a bit or add sound effects like whine or ghost whisper for extra chills. And okay, that's it. Your Dementor Halloween effect video is done. It's all using CapCut on your phone. Okay, just try it out, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!